Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news. Yes, hooray! As Alhaji Wasiu Ayinde, that's Kwam is celebrating 50 years on stage. Wow, that's a huge celebration, and I'm so happy for him. And right about now, he has sent a special invitation to Oganla Pasuma. Yes, a special invitation to be there on that is 50th 50th years on stage. 50 years on stage as a celebration. It's a big celebration, of course, and the special invitation to Oganla Pasuma. Yes, and so it's going to be a bump. Trust me, you should know that. And during this time, why Pasuma was acknowledging the invitation, he danced and he said he made a confession. He said he was 5 years old when he knew about Kwam singing. Wow. He was 5, just 5 years.
And Fuji fans, I want you guys to be there as well. So expect me at my August 50 years on stage. K1 the ultimate inshallah. Organized by Hunter. Baba